Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to start with a new topic of your chapter, that is addition and subtraction of algebraic expression. So, what are we going to study? Addition and subtraction of what? Of algebraic expression. Okay. So, how we are going to add and why it is needed, we'll see this. Okay. For example, if some person A has some number of marbles, okay, and some other person has some other number of marbles. For example, here we don't know how many, okay. Here we know he or she has 10 marbles, okay. Now C person has 3 marbles. Three marbles more than the means it is greater than or more than the, this is added to some number, then the number of marbles A and B together have. Okay, so how we are going to find the number of marbles that C has? Okay, so for this what we are going to take? We'll take, let the number of marbles A has is X. Okay, so this C person has X plus 10 and she has 3 marbles more. So plus 3. This number of marbles she has in total. Okay. So this is how we are going to, whatever statement is given to us, whatever is given to us, we are going to solve them and form them into an equation form, algebraic expressions. Okay, now we are going to take some examples and we'll study how we are going to do these type of questions. For example, if it is given to us that we have to do addition and subtraction of like terms, so how we are going to do it? Like terms, we all know what are like terms. If there are same algebraic expression like 3x and 4x, they are like terms because they have just xx, okay, means they have algebraic factor same, so we can directly add them if this is given. So 3x plus 4x, that is 7x. Okay. Similarly, if it is given to us 8xy plus 2xy plus 4xy, so can we solve it? Yes, because they have same algebraic factors. So add the numerical factors 8 plus 2 plus 4, that is 14, and write down the algebraic factor, that is the sum of these numbers. Okay. Similarly, if 7n minus 4n, subtraction we have to do. So subtract the numerical factors and write the algebraic factor. These are like terms. What are they? Like terms. Okay. So the sum of two or more like terms is a like term with a numerical coefficient equal to the sum of the numerical coefficients of the like term. And similarly, the difference between the two like terms with a numerical coefficient is equal to the difference between the numerical coefficients of the two terms. Okay. Unlike terms cannot be added and subtracted. So unlike terms here cannot be added and cannot be subtracted. Okay. For example, if it is given to us that we have to find 3xy minus or plus 7, so we can't solve it further. It is complete there here only. Okay. Similarly, if it is given that subtract, some statement is given, subtract 7 from 3xy. So we have to just write down 3xy minus 7. After this it cannot be solved. Okay. Next is addition and subtraction, general expression. Addition and adding and subtracting, general. Adding and subtracting, general algebraic expressions. Algebraic. Now we are not doing terms, we are subtracting and adding the full algebraic expression. For example, 3x plus 11, this is example, and 7x minus 5. You have to add them. Add. So for this, 3x plus 11 plus 7x plus multiplied by minus, because this will be minus. Now you have to take the like terms together, that is 3x plus 7x plus 11 minus 5, that is equals to 3x plus 7x is 10x plus 11 minus 5. 11 minus 5 is 6. So the answer will be 10x plus 6. I hope you have understood this. Next thing is, in the similar manner we have to subtract also. Okay. If it is written that we have to subtract a minus b from 3a minus b plus 4. We have to solve this. Okay. We have to subtract a minus b from 3a minus b plus 4. So 3a minus b plus 4, subtract a minus b. So whenever you are subtracting some number, you have to keep that expression into a bracket. Now opening the bracket, the sign will change. Whatever a had a positive sign, this will be negative. B had a negative sign, this will become positive. Now take the like terms together. 3a minus b plus 4. 3a minus a is 2a. Minus b plus b will be cancelled and plus 4. So 2a plus 4 will be the answer. So on the similar terms, you have some questions or examples given here. Try these examples and come to exercise 12.2. Simplify combining like terms. Just you have to do is just take the like terms together and then solve them. Okay. So question number 1, 2 full you can do. 3 also subtract you have to do. 4th, 5th and 6th. You have to do all these questions. Okay. So in the next class we will start with the next exercise, that is finding the value of expression. Okay. I hope you have understood this topic and how to subtract and add algebraic expressions. Okay. Thank you class.